Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about how you will stay motivated as a coder. So I'm going to share 5 important tips about it. Whether you are just starting your coding journey or you have been at it for a bit, keeping that momentum can be tough, and I can understand it. But don't worry, I have got 5 practical tips to help you stay on track and keep the passion alive. Let's get into it. First, set clear and achievable goals. This is all about setting and achievable goals. It can feel overwhelming. You have big dreams like becoming a software developer or software engineer in any big tech companies. So break it down into smaller and manageable steps. Think of it like building a house. You would not start with the roof, right? You would lay the foundation first. Similarly, in coding, your foundation might be learning the basics of a programming languages, and that language can be any one. Like you can pick Java, Python, or JavaScript, whatever you like most. Set a goal to complete a beginner's course in any of your favorite programming language in a month. Once you achieve that, move on to build a simple project like a calculator app. Each small win builds your confidence and keeps you motivated. Take a moment now and think of one small coding goal you would like to achieve this week. Share it in comments below. I would love to hear what you are working on. Second, find a coding community. Learning to code can feel isolating, but it does not have to be. Connecting with others who share your interest can provide support, inspiration, and accountability. When I started coding, joining a local meetup group was a game changer. I met people who were facing the same challenges, and we helped each other to overcome those challenges. Look for local coding communities, online forums like Stack Overflow, or communities on social media platforms. Engaging with others can keep you motivated and might even lead to a collaboration on projects. If you are part of any coding communities, drop their names in the comments to help others find a group that fits them. Third, build projects that interest you. It is easier to stay motivated when you are working on something you are passionate about. For example, if you love music, try coding a simple music player. Or if you are into fitness, you can create an app to track workouts. When your projects align with your interests, coding feels less like a work and more like a fun challenge. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. The more personal and exciting the project, the more driven you will be to see it through. What is that project idea that excites you? Share it below. I might feature some in a future video. 4. Celebrate your progress. No matter how small, it is easy to focus on what you have not learned yet. But acknowledging your achievements is crucial for staying motivated. I remember the first time I successfully debugged a piece of code. It felt me amazing. Celebrating that win kept me going through tougher challenges. You can keep a journal of your milestones. Share your successes with friends or on social media, or even treat yourself to something nice when you reach a goal. Recognizing your growth keeps the momentum alive. What's a recent coding win you have had, big or small? Let's celebrate together. Share it in the comments. Fifth, embrace the learning process. Coding is a journey with ups and downs. There will be bugs that frustrate you and concepts that seem confusing initially. Remember, every coder has been there. The key is to view challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are a vital part of learning. There is a great quote I love. Every expert was once a beginner. Keep that in mind when things get tough. What was that one challenge you have faced while learning code, and how did you overcome it? Your story might inspire someone else, so share it in the comment. To wrap things up, staying motivated as a coder is all about setting your clear goals, connecting with others, working on projects you love, celebrating your progress, and embracing the journey. Remember, it is okay to have off days. What matters is that you keep going. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that follow button so you will not miss out on future content. And don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. Until next time, happy coding.